Hi, my name is Karen, and I hired Michael and his team to redo my decking because it really needed some love, some TLC. And I have to tell you, I am thrilled with their job. So I wanted to do this pay it forward vlog to share it with the world. Michael not only had a wonderful crew, it was very respectful. Eric did a fantastic job, very respectful, let me know what to expect, what to do, all that other good stuff. Took good care of moving my furniture around and everything like that. And Michael answered all of my questions very thoroughly, made sure I understood the process, understood all the things that I needed to understand as a consumer, and very pleased with the fact that they came in hundreds of dollars lower than the competition. So great job, Michael and your team. You guys did a phenomenal job, and here's some before and after pictures. I'm definitely a Raving fan.